So today is a mock assessment centre for second-year university students in accounting and finance. And what we're trying to do is give students real-life experience of the recruitment cycle.
The feedback we get from employers and students is that they are so unprepared when they are asked to do one, and I think all the unknown just creates so much uncertainty and people don't perform their best.
We would never put students into an A-level exam without ever having done a practice paper, and it's just the same. So today is just about enabling students to have a go, see where they dazzle, see where they struggle.
It really showed me how stressful it can be and how much I really need to prepare. It pushed me out of my comfort zone so much. Like, it sounds bad, but it made me uncomfortable, but that's really what you need.
I don't usually take the lead, but because nobody in my group wanted to take the lead, I decided to take initiative. So it definitely brought out a different side of me, which I thought was quite interesting to see, especially somebody who doesn't really talk as much.
I'm more of like a solo worker, but this time I actually got to talk with everyone in my group, and I feel like that actually helped me realize that maybe I shouldn't do the workload all by myself. I can share it with my team.
One of the key skills I improved on today was teamwork. Talking to people that you're not that close to, I think that was quite useful.
The group exercise was a challenge, something new, unique, and I definitely struggled, but I can take that in mind to the next time I do it.
The evening after this assessment centre, I did the application for a company called RSM, who had a couple of their current placement students from UWE, and very fortunately I got offered the placement job.
It's not often that you get someone who knows the ins and outs, knows the tricks of the trade. So I think it's providing them with a massive advantage to know exactly how to nail these types of interview.
And now here I am back at uni, just doing my third year, and very happy in the knowledge that I've got a really good postgrad job in the bag.
It's okay to feel a bit overwhelmed, it's okay to feel out of your depth. Create a plan for yourself and it will be a lot simpler than you probably think.
These people aren't looking for the best human calculator they can find or someone that knows the tax legislation off the back of their hand. They're looking for people they want to share an office space with. I think the most important thing to do is just be yourself, be welcoming, be kind, and just smile.
Honestly, going to the event is it's 4 hours long. It looks long on paper, but it is not long. Genuinely, it actually felt like I'd been there for an hour. The whole event overall was just great. I feel like 10 times more confident